How to withdraw from Ox Securities using Coinbase or local bank transfer. Now in 2024, I think that Ox Securities is one of the only US brokers that's left that I would consider to be one of the best brokers in the industry at least after the beginning of this year, with everything that happened with brokers switching over, brokers pretty much being destroyed. And, this is the only broker that's left that still has access to MT4. Maybe not on the MT4 app, but you can still use the MT4 terminal. You can still use copy traders. You can still use all that with the broker. And they still work great. They pay out great. They're a regulated broker. Everything is really good when it comes to Ox Securities. Payouts are timely. Everything like that. It's very easy to move your money, switch your money over to a different account. Whatever it is that you need or want to do. Their support's pretty fast. The support's very fast. And let me show you guys how to make a withdrawal. So what you want to do is come over to this withdrawal button here, and it'll bring up this withdrawal section. So the first thing you want to do is come over to withdraw accounts. And now you'll see your current withdrawal accounts. These are all the accounts that you're able to use to withdraw from. Now, these are the two accounts that I have. It's my local bank account, and this is my Coinbase USDT, which I'm going to show you how to get both of these onto your withdrawal accounts and use these active. Now, you come over here to the create button, and they'll give you two options. So you'll have your bank account or your crypto wallet. Starting with the bank account, you want to put your name. Say, for example, my name is Jason. Currency will be US dollars. And you're going to go with ABA. Now, ABA means routing number. So this is your routing number. Okay. If you're trying to do SWIFT, that's something different. You can do SWIFT. But for majority of people using US dollars, 90 to 95% of people using USD, you will be using routing and banking, routing number with your bank account. So you just put your routing number here, whatever your routing number is, and then you'll put the account number for the checking account or savings account that you're using, whichever one. You put your date of birth. You put your date of birth here, the account holder's name, which should be your name, the name of the bank account, which would be like Wells Fargo, Chase, whatever bank it is, and just put the, if this is a bank that's close to you or the bank that you made the checking account with or the savings account with, you will put the street, name, city, state. If it's an online bank, you can get the information from the online bank. Just talk to support and then just say that you're trying to do either a direct deposit or you're trying to do a bank transfer. So ask them for the information, for an online bank like Cash App or Varo or Chime or any of these other like little online banks. You even have your high yield savings account and stuff like that, right? All that stuff, right? Anything, you can put all this, just get all the information that you need and just put it here. Now, 9 times out of 10, if this information isn't perfect, right? If it's not perfect, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's not going to be. Like sometimes, I might have an online bank, right? And then I'll talk to the institute. Like, I don't know if they're giving me the right information to where it's at. This is just to make sure that the bank is correct. That's all. It's not going to be a big deal. Now, after you do that, it'll take you to next, and it'll confirm all the information. Come over here to crypto wallet. Your crypto wallet, you do the same thing. You put your name. Then you'll do Ethereum. So you do Ethereum here. Do not do Tron, right? ETH. So you know how ERC20 when you're doing crypto for USDT. So you're gonna get paid out in USDT. Okay, cryptocurrency USDT. So make sure when you go into Coinbase, receive crypto. Okay, go into Coinbase, receive crypto, and then you're gonna go to USDT as a currency. At the top, it'll say your currency, whatever currency is in, Bitcoin by default, whatever. You wanna click on that and change it to USDT, and then it's gonna give you, you're gonna come over here, click Ethereum. Tron is something different. You click Ethereum, and then they're gonna give you your crypto wallet, and then they're gonna give you the QR code that you can take a screenshot of, or you can hold your phone up to, whatever, right? The crypto wallet should be underneath that. So you're gonna get the crypto code when you change it. You go to receive in Coinbase, change the currency to USDT, Tether, and then it should say ERC20 at the bottom, and then it'll give you the wallet address, and you'll copy and paste the wallet address here. You'll press next, and it'll save your withdrawal accounts here. And now, when your withdrawal accounts are saved and they're activated, you can come back over here to the withdrawal at any time. And then you can, boom, it'll say which account that you want to withdraw from. So you might have 3 or 4 trading accounts you'll have 3 or 4 trading accounts in this broker. You know, you have 10,000 in this account, 50,000 in this account, and you have 25 in this account, and you might have like a couple thousand in one last account. You can choose which account that you want to pick from. I don't have any active accounts in this broker at the moment. There are plenty of other brokers that I'm using. And I'll go through reviews on all different ones of brokers and how to make deposits and withdrawals. But you will choose the trading account that you want to withdraw from, and then you choose the withdrawal method. I just want to get my payout. I want to get my payout through USDT on Coinbase. And let's say I want to make $1,000 withdrawal. I made $1,000 profit today. And then I'll just say, and you'll click confirm. And they'll make you do a confirmation, either email confirmation, or they'll either have you do an email confirmation or a 2-step verification, Google authenticator verification, just really fast. It takes 2 seconds. Once you confirm that, they'll say okay. They'll send you an email, and they'll take you to a confirmation page saying that your withdrawal will take 1 to 2 to 3 business days. Okay, and that is pretty much it with Ox Securities. If you guys enjoyed the video and you guys got a lot of value from this information, you can go ahead and click the link in the description, and that's going to give you guys access to a multitude of free information, free tools, especially if you're new in the industry and you're just learning how to get into the Forex markets, what brokers you should be going to, how to make deposits, how to make withdrawals. You're just starting to make money. This will be a great tool for you to go through. This is a surefire way for you to make money passively in the markets while you're still learning. Okay, this is a surefire way for you to make money in the markets without you having to spend years and years and years and years and years making mistakes and losing money. You'll be able to get profits instantly. So click the link in the description below, and thank you guys. Have a great rest of your day.